Hello everyone. This is in the last video we talked about how to recover database back from VM through recovery service vault. So today we're going to talk about how to recover VM itself in case of there's any disaster and the VM got deleted. So how to restore the VM back. So let's create a VM. Gonna create a VM, then we're gonna populate the disaster with that VM, and we're gonna recover back through using the recovery vault. So let's create a VM for this one, VM1. Okay, I put it on. I like using East US. Leave this and leave this at default. Let's just change the image. Let's go to our SQL Server 2019. Then we use the 0 free license on, which is 2019. Okay, free license. Let's put the username. Your name. Okay, they just allow the RDP port number because we are not even logging in. We're just trying to create a VM to populate, the disaster. So we don't really need this, but let's just put it like that. Then let's accept the license. Let's go ahead and do the okay. The validation is passed. So let's just go ahead and create it. Let's create it. It's created. Okay. The next couple of minutes will be created. Let's wait for it. VM has been created successfully. So let's go. Let's go to the source. Go to the source. Let's go to the backup. Inside the VM, let's go to the backup. Backup right here. So you want to create a recovery vault. Create a recovery vault or just say VM1 vault. So let's go and create our policy. So make sure when you are creating your policy, make sure you follow your company SLA. Just don't create a policy anyhow. Okay. So let's call them VM VM1 backup. Call it VM1 backup, VM1 daily backup. Let's leave everything as default. Always remember, follow your company SLA. Use okay. Let's enable this. Enable it. Let's deploy now. Let's finish deploying. Backup is created successfully right here. So backup is created successfully. Let's copy it out. So let's go inside the backup item. Backup item. Okay. The backup item. So inside the backup items, let's see. So warning backup pending. Let's click on view detail. On the detail, so backup recheck is passed or backup warning. So let's back up now. Click OK on backup now. It's still green. So let's wait for it. Yeah, it just triggered the backup. Let's wait for it. So backup triggering is successful. So let's go to, it has also go to backup job to go and see the progress. So let's go into the backup job. Backup job. So this is backup jobs. Let's see. Okay, in progress, right? So why this one is in progress, let's go ahead and create our storage, because we're going to need a storage when we want to restore the VM. So storage, let's create a storage. Let's create a storage. Let's call it storage. Let's just call it storage, right? So everything defaults. I just leave everything that default as well for practice purpose. So let's create it. With deploying, let's wait for it to get deployed. So the storage was deployed successfully. The storage was successfully. So let's go back to our recovery vault to go and see our backup jobs one more time. Then now go to populate this disaster. So backup jobs. Okay, working good now. Progress. Let's go to backup items. Still pending. So let's wait for it for a minute. Wait for it for a while. Backup jobs again. Backup jobs. So in progress. Okay, just let's wait for it for a while. So you have to wait for it to make sure the backup is successful, because all the pain that I was saying before, you have to wait to make, like you see, last restore point. So you have to make sure you wait till backup is successful. The backup is successful now. Before it was saying pending, right? But now so successful. Now we can go on ahead and populate a disaster. So let's go inside our resources, and let's go and delete the VM. There's a VM right here. So let's get it deleted. Like disaster just happened, right? So let's get it deleted. VM1, delete. That's it, delete. Then we can now go and recover it back. Delete. The VM was deleted successfully, so disaster has happened now. So we don't have any VM here now again. So we have to go and restore back the VM. What we have to do here is, let's go to our recovery vault. These are storage, these are recovery vaults, right? Recovery vault. Let's go to backup items. inside the VM, right? So you come over here, say restore VM. So VM, okay, you have to restore point in time. This is it, last point, okay. You will take out here. He asks us what name you want to give to that VM. Before it was PVM1, right? So let's just put like our VM2 here. So, okay, on the same resource group, right? So let's go down. Storage account. Remember, we created a storage account. The storage account that we created, let's use the storage account because, like I told you before, we always ask of storage account when you are where you are storing back. So you have to create a storage account. So everything's okay. Let's go on store. What's going on here? Network. Okay, sorry. You can look on network, which is the virtual network of the VM that was deleted. Now, when we created it created a VM, created a virtual network with it. Just leave the subnet, leave it at default. I'll create another video to explain more about this virtual network and the subnet. So that will be an upcoming videos as well. So let's just click on restore. So validating, let's wait for it. Will take a minute. Validating. Let's say triggering storing for VM1. So we are restoring it back now. So let's wait for it to see. So the restore was successfully. You can see right here. The restore was successfully. Let's go back to our resources right here. Let's refresh this. Let's refresh it. So you also go to where? Okay, monitor progress and backup jobs. Let's go to backup jobs. Backup jobs. Backup jobs. In progress, right? So let's wait for it. Take some minute. Then go and check that again one more time. Take some time. So see here. So let's go and check our resources now. Should be there now. Let's go to all resources. Let's check. Let's refresh this. See, VM2, the name that we change it is back. So VM2 is back. So we are successfully we've successfully recovered the VM that was mistakenly deleted. So we populate a disaster on VM1, and then we use a recovery vault to recover it back. That's how to recover the VM that was mistakenly deleted back. So let's go in to see the overview on the same resource group. The location is US, right? So everything is the same as it was before. So that's how to recover it back. Once again, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and click notification in case of new video is uploaded. Thank you. Once again, this is Thank you.